In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your job on LinkedIn without notifying your contacts. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account. You can choose to do this using your Google account, Microsoft account, or the traditional method with your email address and password. It's essential to have these credentials ready. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for enhanced security, LinkedIn might prompt you for a verification code. This code will be sent to your phone, so have your device handy to quickly retrieve and enter the code. This step is crucial to ensure your account remains secure, especially when you're making significant updates. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the LinkedIn page where you'll notice an icon that represents you. It's that me icon, depicted by your profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is crucial, as it acts as your gateway to managing how your information is shared and determining who gets to see it. Once you're inside the settings area, locate the left-hand sidebar and click on the Visibility option. This section is where you control who can see your professional activities and updates. Making adjustments to these settings is vital if you aim to manage the flow of information to your network with precision. Now, you'll want to find a specific setting titled Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. This option allows you to decide if your network will be notified about changes you make to your job title or education details. At this point, you'll be looking for a toggle switch associated with it. Go ahead and switch this toggle to the off position. By doing this, you ensure your job updates are quietly integrated into your profile without activating notifications for your connections. After following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn settings to keep your job change private. You can now update your profile with your new role or any other tweaks, assured that your contacts won't be automatically informed. This kind of discretion is particularly beneficial if you're preparing for an upcoming announcement or if you prefer to update your profile quietly for personal reasons. Remember, you can choose to toggle this setting back on whenever you're ready to keep your network updated. It's essentially about having control over who sees your updates and deciding the right time to share.